Numbers are everywhere, from paying, ordering, meeting someone, time, or sharing your age. ¿Cuánto cuesta el libro? 25 euros. Gracias. Mi número es 641853. ¿A qué hora sale el vuelo? A las 8:20. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Tengo 32. Ages, birthdays, addresses, prices, they all use the same pattern. Today we are learning Spanish numbers from 0 to 100. I'll give you tips, pronunciation hacks, and fun exercises. Plus, you'll learn the most important exceptions you need to know. Stick with me until the end because we are going to learn a lot of Spanish today. Here are the building blocks from 0 to 10. 0, 0, 0. The pronunciation is 0. The stress syllable is in C. 0. 1, 1. 1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. 3. Just one syllable as dos. 4, 4. 4. Stress in qua. 4. 5, 5. 5. 5. 6, 6. One syllable. 6. 7, 7. 7. 7. 7. 8, 8. 8. Big O. 8. 8. 9, 9. 9. 9. 9. 10. 10. 10. Okay, after 10, Spanish numbers follow a pattern. And once you get it, it's easy. From 11 to 15, there's an irregular pattern. There's new words that you need to memorize. These are 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. From 16 to 19, the pattern is 10 plus the number, 10 plus the number. For example, 16, 17, 18, 19. So here, 16, if you can see, is 10 y 6, 10 and 6. But why is written like that? It's written like 10. Okay, before the number was like this, 10 y then the number. This means 10 and number. But with time, that changed to 10 plus the number. So it's like the word 10 and y pushed together, and then it became 10. So 10 is literally 10 y, 10 and. From 20 to 29, the pattern is 20 plus the number, 20 plus the number. Examples: 21, 22, 23. Following this pattern, how do you say 24? 24. With the 20s, we have the same pattern. Before, it was 20 y the number, and then the words pushed together. And now you have to say it like this: 20 plus the number. Okay, about 30 and the next ones, the pattern is tens y ones. For example, 31 is 30 y uno. 31. 44, 44. 99, 99. Okay, following this pattern, how do you say 52? It's 52. 52. Okay, so once you know the pattern, you can build any number. Quick pause if you like this content and you are learning a lot with me, please subscribe, give it a like, and if you want to follow me on my social media, I would be very happy. I upload new videos every day to learn quick and easy Spanish. Let's continue. Okay, these are the main tense. Repeat after me. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very good. Among native speakers, we normally confuse 60 and 70 because they're very similar. So this is important to pronounce it correctly. 60, 70. Okay, watch out with that. Okay, you have the pattern. Now you know the pattern, but there's an exception that you need to know. When the number ends with 1, you don't have to say uno. You have to consider the gender. So for example, uno, it's 1. But if you want to say one book, you don't say uno libro. You say un libro. And if you want to say una casa, one house, you have to say una casa because it's feminine. The house, la casa, is feminine. So you say una casa. Another example, 21, that's the number, right? But if you want to say 21 books, you say 21 libros. You don't say 21 libros. You say 21 libros. And the same, for example, the house, la casa. If you want to say 21 houses, 21 casas. You get it? It's just about the gender. For example, 31, 31, 31 libros, 31 casas. So it's just about the correspondence with gender, but this exception is just with 1 and numbers that end in 1. So every time a number ends in uno, the same change applies. Un before a masculine noun and una before a feminine noun. Okay, let's practice. Práctica. Practiquemos. 15. How do you say 15 in Spanish? Okay, 15. How do you say 15 in Spanish? 15. This is irregular. You have to memorize it. 15. 27. 27 in Spanish is 27. Remember, the words are pushed together and you say 27. It's like 20 y 7, but shorter. 27. 42. How can we say it in Spanish? 42. Remember, from 30 to 99 is just the tense and the number. So here is 42. Easy. Now, 100. 100 in Spanish is 100. 100. Very good. Great. Now numbers in Spanish make sense, right? You don't need to memorize. You need to understand the pattern and the exceptions. Please subscribe for more real, easy Spanish that actually you can use every day. See you in the next class.